guys want the fishy? Who wants the fishy? Fishy, ready? Not into it, Madison, huh? He's afraid of it. It's funny. What's up, Snowball? Is that your fishy now, or is that Madison's fishy? Oh, I guess you're done with it, huh?